Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, open your phone, and see money coming into your account from a business you started with zero investment. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it isn't. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how anyone, even if you're broke, even if you've never done business before, can start an online business in 2025 with absolutely zero upfront cost. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also reveal which online businesses can grow the fastest in India right now. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. Let's be honest. Most people in India dream of starting a business, but they're stuck. The biggest excuse? I don't have money. But here's the truth. The biggest cost is not money. It's time, effort, and knowledge. The internet has completely leveled the playing field. Today, you don't need lakhs of rupees to open a shop. You don't need fancy offices. You don't even need inventory in your house. All you need is a phone, internet, and the mindset to learn. But wait, before we jump into solutions, let me ask you this. If I handed you ₹1,000,000 business idea today, would you actually execute it, or would you just scroll to the next video? Because execution is the difference between the rich and the poor. And in this video, we're not just talking about theory. We're talking about actionable steps to start an online business today, without spending a single rupee. All right, let's break it down. I'm going to share with you 5 online business models. You can start right now with 0 rupee investment. And for each one, I'll tell you how it works, how to get started, and how much you can realistically make. Ready? Let's go. Content is king, and in 2025, it's the new oil. The cost to start? 0. You don't need a camera. Your smartphone is enough. You don't need an office. Your bedroom is enough. You don't need a marketing budget. Social media platforms will push your content for free if it's valuable. Here's the reality. People are spending hours daily on YouTube, Instagram, and blogs. And if you can grab even a tiny slice of that attention, you can monetize it with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate products. Scary fact, 90% of people only consume content. Less than 10% create it. That means you already have an unfair advantage if you just start. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest growing online businesses in India right now. You recommend a product. Someone buys it using your special link. You get paid. No inventory. No customer support. No startup cost. Example? Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho. All have affiliate programs. And here's the kicker. Some affiliates make more than CEOs, just by recommending products online. But the question is, how do you stand out? The secret is trust. Don't sell everything. Sell only what you believe in. Remember, people don't buy products. They buy solutions to their problems. If you have a skill, writing, video editing, graphic design, coding, you can start freelancing right now. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Indian portals like International are booming. But let me warn you, this is not quick money. You'll start small, maybe 300 rupees, maybe 500 rupees per project. But here's the magic. Once you build a portfolio, clients will pay you thousands, even lakhs. Did you know some Indian freelancers are making 5 to 10 lakh rupees per month? Working from their bedrooms? Yep. And they started at 0. Here's a model most people ignore. Digital products. Think about it. Ebooks, templates, online courses, custom t-shirt designs. You don't need stock. You don't need investment. You create once and sell forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Canva, and Teespring let you upload designs or files for free. Customers pay, and you get profit instantly. This is passive income at its finest. Let me ask you, would you rather work once and get paid forever, or work forever and get paid once? That's the difference between jobs and digital products. Yes, dropshipping is still alive, but only if you adapt. Forget slow AliExpress shipping. Forget outdated Shopify stores. In 2025, it's all about local suppliers, branded packaging, and viral TikTok-style marketing. And the best part? You don't buy inventory until someone pays you first. So yes, this is literally a business. You can start with 0 rupees up front, if you play smart. But here's the catch. You must focus on one product, one brand, one problem solved. Do that, and you can turn dropshipping from a side hustle into a million-rupee business. So here's the big truth. Starting an online business with 0 rupees is possible, but growing it? That requires discipline, patience, and consistency. Most people will quit after a week. Winners stay the course. Now, the question is not, can I start a business with 0 rupees? The real question is, do I have the mindset to stick with it until it pays off? Because opportunities are everywhere. The only thing stopping you is you.